Hi y'all, I hope everybody is doing really good today. It is Friday. Tomorrow's the weekend, y'all. Hope everybody had a great, productive week and everybody is well and staying blessed. Thank the Lord. I hope everybody is in good health. Y'all, I am doing a fall dessert recipe and this is going to be pumpkin brownies. My little way. So we're going to be getting in the kitchen. I'm going to show you the ingredients and we're going to get started. It's very easy, really, but they're going to be so good, perfect for fall. I can't wait to smell them baking, y'all. Thank you so much for coming back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and Country Cooking. If you all like this video, please hit that like button, give me that thumbs up, share, tell other people about my channel, and it'll just help me grow an awful lot, y'all, and I'll greatly appreciate it. So, let's go. Let's get in that kitchen and get these baked. Y'all, these pumpkin brownies turned out so delicious. They have like a fudgy kind of feeling to them. Like the edges have like the crispness, and then in the middle is like the fudginess. And I'm telling you, they are so good. You can taste all those flowers. Blooper. All those fall seasonings. There's a walnut. The only thing I would do different is with the orange part of the batter, I wouldn't have mixed it together. If you want to have a more orange swirl look, you would do it just a little bit differently. But the flavor, everything is amazing. They are very good.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts.
Okay, y'all, these are the ingredients we're going to be using to make our pumpkin brownies. Isn't that right, Artie? Isn't that right, Artie? They want to be in here too, y'all. They're excited. They said, we want to smell brownies cooking. We want to smell brownies cooking. Yeah. Yeah. Of course. All right, so you need 3 eggs. We have some heavy whipping cream. You're going to need some milk chocolate chips. Some of this pure pumpkin puree. Some baking powder. Some baking cocoa. A bowl. You will be using our KitchenAid too. All-purpose flour. Granulated sugar. Salt. Chopped walnuts, vanilla, cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground cloves. That is all y'all's ingredients. All right, let's get started. Y'all, this mixture we keep separate from everything else because this is what is going to be swirled into your brownies. So, to start, you want 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. So that's 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. We're just going to put in this bowl right here. Okay, then you want 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. So 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. Now with the seasoning, the ground nutmeg, you want 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. One-half teaspoon. You want 1/2 teaspoon of the ground cloves. And you want a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now remember, this gets swirled into the brownie mix. Oops! Oopsie! Oopsie daisy! So we just want to mix this together and then just set it to the side. And you're going to be using an 8x8 baking dish. In our KitchenAid right here, you're going to start with 3/4 cup of melted butter. 3/4 cup, y'all. Melted butter. After that, you want to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. 1.5 cups. After that, you're going to do, it's 2 teaspoons. I'm pretty sure I have to look. Yeah, it's 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's 1 and 2. And we're going to go ahead and blend these together, and we're going to add 3 eggs, one at a time. Oh wait, I forgot I don't have it plugged in, y'all. Blooper! Blooper on me. All right. So again, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. So our first egg. Our second egg. And our third egg. Oh, I didn't get a shell in there. Oh, I didn't. That scared me for a minute. And increase your speed. Now we're going to start adding our dry ingredients gradually in here. So we want 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. We want to add 3/4 cup of flour. I'm going to have to stop this just a minute to add the flour. So we want 3/4 cup of flour. I can't get all that out of there because that little handle's in my way, so I'll just do it manually. Three-fourth cup. Let's put that back down and keep mixing it. We want to do 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. We want to do a pinch of salt. I'm assuming, I'm not good on measurements, but I'm assuming this is an 8x8. So we're going to spray it with some bacon spray. And we're going to take our batter and go ahead and pour right on in here. I'm starting to think this is too small, y'all. I don't know, we'll see. I think the worst thing that can happen is they'll just be real big. I'd rather have them big than thin. All right, that's so tempting just to eat that. Oh, that's so good. Like, I really needed that. I did not need that. All right, now, if you remember, we have our pumpkin puree right here. And our other, so we're gonna take this. I'm going to use that little spatula. Shame on me, y'all. I can't stop licking that batter. Alright, so I'm going to just lay this in different spots. Or why not just, you know, I'll just do it this way. Y'all, I can't remember the last time I had a brownie. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to start just gradually mixing this in here. Kind of swirling it. So we have a nice little swirl design going on right there. Now we are going to put this in the oven at 350, and we're going to bake it until a toothpick in the middle comes out clean.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place